I have always been really big on content marketing. From 20 years ago, I always did an email newsletter as soon as email came out. I always posted on social media, and I've always written articles, even published my own magazines. I had Martial Arts Business Magazine, now I own Golf Operator Magazine, I own World's Best Golf Destinations Magazine, and I also World's Best Golf Destinations Magazine, and I also produce a magazine called Happy Horse, Happy Life. So I am huge on content marketing. I think it's a great way to position your business, whatever business you have, whether you're selling a product, selling a service, it doesn't really matter. Being out there consistently with high quality content is one of the best ways to market. And I post in a lot of different places, and you should too. So number one, you should have a blog. You should be posting on your blog regularly, at least once a week. Number two, you should be having an email newsletter, preferably at least once a week. Number three, you've got to go to the other places where you can distribute content, such as Medium or Facebook. And Facebook's nowhere near as powerful as it used to be. It's a shadow of what it was 3 or 4 years ago, but it still has some value. I think for most businesses, the place to be is LinkedIn, because not only can you create your own profile, create your company profile, but there are hundreds and hundreds of groups. I'm in over 50 different groups. I'm in golf groups, I'm in writers groups, I'm in sales groups.
Whenever you're ready.
There are different groups for every different profession, for accountants, for salespeople, for marketing people, and you can use those groups in LinkedIn to get to your buyers, to get to your prospects. And I actually post in most groups every single day relevant content to that group, which helps me get consulting gigs, it helps me get speaking gigs, it helps me sell books, and it keeps me in front of people in an amazing way, in a low-key way. I'm not trying to sell them anything, I'm just demonstrating my expertise, and you can do the exact same thing for whatever product or service you're involved in.